Hi, my name is Moritz Mueller. I'm from Germany and I want to show you something using one of these. That's actually a silver dollar. Let me show you a trick using 1, 2, and 3. Silver is a really interesting material because you can shrink it up really small, like this. Second one, and the third one. Of course, they've not really disappeared. The first one is right here. Second one is right here. And the third one is right here, in between the other two. Watch the 3 coins as they travel from these fingertips across to these fingertips. From here to there. So that's the first one. Second one. And the third one is going to travel visibly. I'll show you again. From here to there. And that's a trick with 3 ordinary pieces of silver.